so we haven't quite got our spool valves fixed. Not to worry. It's a wet day, so we'll move on to another little job. Door handle. This shouldn't be like this, so let's get a look at that. Oh. No. Wow, that was a fight. That white while I'm on it. Nice clean. Let's get fresh in. So I've no idea why there's a tie wrap in here. So we'll get rid of that. Not required. I'll have a bit of that in there. And for some reason it's hard to get out. Right, so let's have a look what we've got. Inside we have a bit of a bracket, a bit of a bracket, a bit of a cover, we saw us take that off before, cover, and the handle, which we've left a sticker on, and 2 screws, and 2 screws don't come with it, and I couldn't work out which was the right size, so I bought both. They were about £1 each. So let's give it a go. That back in. That's beautiful now. I wish it was like that when it came out. Right, and then that looks like you have to get it so it lines. No, right, I see. So maybe I'll leave that loose is the key. It looks like it doesn't actually matter what size your screw is. Oh, actually, it's longer one. It's the longer one. It's the longer one. So 2 more long screws I want. 2 more long screws. Put that on. So there we are. Handles on. Let's see if she works. Ho-ho-ho-ho! Job's a good one. Right, that's another little job done on the 362. Moving in the right direction now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you can give us a like and a subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks very much. Bye bye.